Welcome to this video. I am Eben Sales. This is an introductory video for you to learn more about this channel, because the main reason why you are watching this video right now is to know more about what we are actually doing on this channel, and I'm making this video to help you with that. I know something about you. For a business owner, or let's say you're an entrepreneur, I would like to first show you how this channel normally helps brands. Make videos that help brands to know how to sell more of their products, how to sell more of their services, get clients, get customers, get more attention on social media. That's the main thing we do, and we help you with that. Maybe you have a training you want people to attend, you have a product you want people to buy, you have a skill, you have a service, or you have a number of services and you want people to hire you. So this channel is the right place for you to be now, because we make different videos, we make different trainings just to teach you how to make people buy what you have. So that is how we help brands. We help them get their attention. We help you run your adverts. If you want to run adverts, we help you promote your product, promote your training, and just run Facebook and Instagram adverts. So that is what we do personally as Zenith Advertising Agency. But on this channel, we create videos to teach you different things that will also help you. So personally, you already know how we can also help you. We can help you drive the result that we have been driving for other brands just like you. What you will gain from subscribing to this channel, you already know. What you will gain is strategies, methods, free hacks on how you can promote your business online, how to get people to buy from you, and these are the things we normally post on this channel. Subscribe right now. Once you subscribe, a number of our videos are going to be flooding your feed, your YouTube feed. Our mission as an agency, is to help as many as possible businesses to get attention and make them well known. That is our mission as an agency, as an advertising agency. We want to help as many as possible businesses to get attention, and make them well known. Because if people don't know that you exist, there is no way they are going to buy from you. So you have to make them know you first, which is the function, which is what we want to do in your business. We want to help you get the attention. Our mission is helping as many as possible businesses to get attention and make them well known. Our goal is to be widely known online as the authority, a voice to follow when it comes to blowing up businesses. Though it's not just going to be a day work, it's not going to be a week or a month, a year work, but our goal is to make people know that remember that whenever they are hearing anything like, I want to grow my business, I want to blow up my business, I want to do this, they should remember us. Remember that there is an agency called Zenith Advertising. They help businesses get attention. Then let's go and let's chat them up, let's call them, let's email them, and they will show us how they can help us. So that is the main goal, that is our objective, and that is also our mission, which is what? Helping as many as possible businesses to get attention and make them well known. You are welcome to this channel. Just go below this video and you will see many videos for you that you can learn from, you can gain from, that will help your business. It is not just about helping your business, it's about helping your employees, making them be able to provide for their family, making you also be able to provide for your family. So that is the main objective of this. Not just about helping your business, not just about helping you get attention of your customers. If you don't get attention of your customers, there is no money. And if there is no money, there is no business. If there is no business, you can't provide. And this channel is just for you to help lives of many people, have impact in lives. So don't forget to subscribe. Like I said earlier, subscribe. Let's get attention and let's blow up your business together. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.